This is a special processing equipment designed for laminated insulation board, laminated electrician board for high-speed cutting and cutting materials. Equipment operation process. The operator puts the sheet, raw material, into the work table of the CNC electronic panel saw, or through an automatic feeding equipment. Push the button to clamp the sheet. T starts the automatic operation, enters the automatic work, automatic positioning, automatic edge trimming, automatic sawing, automatic discharging, complete all cutting, according to the input data, as can code. Welcome to contact us for more information about our insulation material making machines.